A raise borer is a machine that bores shafts between two levels, typically up to 700 metres apart. The shaft diameter can range between 660 millimetres and 6 metres. The TR series raise borer is towed on its transport sled to the drilling location by a loader. A diesel-powered crawler can be used as an alternative transport arrangement for the derrick. The derrick is erected using the erector cylinders mounted on the back of the sled. The control station and power pack are positioned near the derrick with interconnecting hoses attached, and the rod rack is placed adjacent to the derrick. Drill string components, such as reamer and non-rotating stabilizer, are positioned on the rack in the order in which they are required. After the derrick is rock bolted down, the machine can be tilted up to 30 degrees. Turnbuckles are adjusted to maintain the correct dip angle, and the drive head is raised to allow space for the drill string item to be loaded. The pipe loader picks up and places the bit sub, complete with tri-cone bit, into the derrick for the chuck to screw onto. The machine drills into the ground until the end of stroke is reached. The chuck is unscrewed from the bit sub and the drive head raised. The pipe loader picks up the stabilizer and positions it in the derrick. The chuck screws onto the stabilizer and the pipe loader is moved out of the way. The drive head is advanced and the stabilizer screwed onto the bit sub. The machine drills down until the end of stroke. A standard drill pipe is added to the top of the stabilizer. Drilling continues, adding drill pipes and stabilizers as necessary until breakthrough occurs at the lower drift. The bit sub is removed from the drill string. The reamer is placed on the ground beneath the pilot hole and drill string. The drill string is lowered and screwed onto the reamer. Raise boring commences as the drill string is pulled back up, and drill rods are removed piece by piece as raise boring continues upwards. Cuttings fall down the hole to the lower drift. Cuttings are picked up and removed by loader.